especially when I'm feeling the vibe. This could be the time of a life. Me and you mix two, that's a vibe. It's all coming from time to time, especially when I'm feeling the vibe. This could be the time of a life. Me and you mix two, that's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. Me and you mix two, that's a vibe. It's all coming from time to time, especially when I'm feeling the vibe. This could be the time of a life. Me and you mix two, that's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. Me and you mix two, that's a vibe. It's all coming from time to time, especially when I'm feeling the vibe. This could be the time of a life. Me and you mix two, that's a vibe. That's a vibe.
Yo, yo, what up YouTube? What up TikTok? What's good? Back at it with another stream. Live from Dubai. Live from Dubai. Making sure everything's working. Awesome. That's the vibe. What's up, Allison? Big Tim. Yeah, we're all we're all back in action from the Bali trip. Doubt about clean candle zone. I don't know what you mean by that question, but I want to answer you, but just try and ask it again differently. What's good? My schedule now, I mean, live streaming the New York session. Live stream in New York. For sure. So let's jump in here for let's jump in here for this New York session and see what's up. In 1 second. Welcome to Habibi. Thank you. Thank you, Habibi. All right, man. Let's do a bit of an overview quickly here on gold. GC. Gonna do a quick overview here on GC. Just see where we're at. Already made a bunch selling. Nice. So daily's just doji right now. You know, it's hard. Yeah, I don't know. I haven't got too much of a bias. I feel like price wants to melt, but I don't know if it's going to happen today. Thank you. Yeah, did anyone watch the Bali stream that I put up? Pretty dope. Not Bali stream, Bali vlog. So 4 hours red. Weird structure, man, on the 4 hour. 1 hour coming down. 30-minute just gave it a stab here, but rejected off. And the 15 range isn't very clean either. Like 15, realistically, the clean level is there. Realistically, like that's the clean level, man. Just watch your first 2 streams. Just out of curiosity, it's crazy how everything changed your 2. Yeah, man, brother. How much do I spam this quote? Don't ever underestimate how quick things can change. Don't ever underestimate how quick things can change, bro. Trust the brother. Use me as reference. Bali vid was crazy. Yeah, it was sick, eh? Almost this sick. So, all good. Yo, what's good, Jack? Jack clipped up the fucking Bali vlog already, where he looked like a Chad. Do you trade Asia Open? Some of the boys in the mentorship do. Pass 1 account, blue 1. Yeah, it's pretty good. Pretty standard stuff. What about NQ? Nothing. No, YouTube's not hiding the vids from you. You're just not looking. You're not looking, my G. You've abandoned me. I've abandoned my son. I've abandoned my child. But yeah, awesome. Good to be here. Good back in routine. Man, I've been out of Dubai for like 2 months. Went to Australia, then then Bali. It's good to be back. It's actually good to be back. It is literally actually good to be back. So we're here for the New York session and we'll see if we can get anything here. So long. Bro, now this soundboard's old school. I mean, it's old school in
the beginning.
Yeah, so you guys, man, anyone that's been following my streams for a while, you would have seen in November I started a 5K to 100K stream. Look where I'm at right now. $83,000. I've turned 5K into $83,000. It's a fucking 5K to 100K challenge. You know, and the reality is I could have like full fucking margined it, clip farmed it to 100 quick potentially, but also risked blowing it all. But I've done it like the way it should be done, which is trading it, you know, in a professional fashion. How you risk props these days? No, I don't really copy trade too much. I don't really copy trade that much these days. I just do individuals at a time. Yo, yo. I follow you 2 months now, your strategy. Oh, nice. Let's go. Yes, sir. So yeah, a bit of a tricky one on gold. Like obviously there's a level, you know, it's creating some range here. Do we think it's got enough to just punch through this 15 range? Oh, high volume time. I might give gold a crack. What do you guys think? Gamble strat? Silver looks better. Maybe wait for open in 30 minutes. Oh, opens in 30 minutes. Yeah. I might give it, if this can break the low here and sell a little bit, I might give it a little bit of a sell opportunity for an impulse play here. I want it to happen like really soon though, like within the next couple minutes. If it creates too much more of a top wick, I'm going to cancel the order. I want it to basically drop now. I want it to basically drop now. I'm Pakistani, sir. I'm Australian. Isn't that something? Oh, here we go. Bro, what the hell is this size? Oh, the range is small or something. There we go. Come on. The ranges must be tiny. If it breaks this low one more time, I'll close. Fuck with me now, Mum! Who's the GOAT? Just fucking... You guys, can we just be honest for once in life? And just say who is the actual human GOAT? Because a lot of these guys are sleeping on us and it's just not cool. I'll take it. Yeah, this is kind of what I anticipated, that bit of that pop there. Pop sui. Nice, that was like a fucking 600 USD banger. They're sleeping on us, chat. Love how you streamed to literally 0 people and was super happy when you got your first live comment. Oh, really? Do you remember that? Did you see that when you scroll back? That's funny. Bro, 0 people, literally. 0, literally. I mean, on YouTube, I was peaking at like 1,200 concurrent viewers at once. That was when I was streaming every day. Did anyone take a sell with me there? Shortest stream ever, yeah. Oh, that's so good. I did, nice. Yep. Oh, you guys did on TikTok? Nice. What's good, Rad? Doc, you did? Oh, wow, look, Tim did as well. A lot of people did. Oh, you liked it, Jack? Sick. But see how I was saying? I was like, I needed to drop now. If it created a new top wick, I would just cancel it. Yeah, nice. It's one of the very, 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 very rare cases where I'll allow 15-minute structure to be punched through a little bit. It was really just a small bit of structure on the 15, but yeah, nice. That was good. That was a good little rat scalp. Sometimes you gotta get ready with it. that we have to dance in Shadowbox with a track. Oh shit! Make sure you guys drop a like and a thumbs and a stream the like button. If anybody wants to learn these concepts in more detail, like I just made 1,000 Australian dollars just then. I used to work an entire week for that. You head over to danielholmestrades.com to learn the strat or if you want to work one-on-one in more detail. If not, all good. Just keep blowing accounts or whatever. Is this every Monday? Nah, it's pretty random. Mainly like every Thursday. I thought I'd do a Monday just because I got back from Bali and all the shit. So I'm going to mark a level here on the 15. And see what's up there. See how our price reacts to this level. Long hair, long dick. Nah, I'm not in Bali. I'm back in Dubai, back in my house here in Dabibi. Wow, she's really gold's got a lot of bearish volume here. Oh, I was wondering if somebody took this. These are guys in the mentorship. See you soon. I've trained see you soon here, Yong, up from the very get-go, from the start. You should have seen this guy's performance at the very start. And every fortnight we would catch up and I'd be like, tweak this, change this, do this. And over time, and now he's fucking actually getting consistent payouts. It's like really rewarding to see. I filled out the application for the mentorship, but I didn't get an answer. Is that, yeah, it's because it either one, be out of your budget, or two, just not the right fit. I wrote you a message, then you have spare time. Can you check it out, bro? Just tell me here, bro, because I'm not going to read it. So you better just tell me here. Yeah, book it another one-on-one, brother. Yep. Are you still in Dubai? How long will it take you to quit your job and live from this? It's not about length, it's about girth. No, it's about okay, my risk tolerance is really low. Like I'll risk my whole life just to, eat a cupcake kind of thing. So but what you need to do is like ensure that, okay, if you want to go full-time trading, you need to ensure you're making enough money from trading, or at least equal to the amount of money you make from your job. And if the answer is yes, I'm making the same amount of money that I made in my job, then measure that over a period of time and say, am I consistently making as much money as my job? And if the answer is yes, then either save up a little bit of money and then take the leap, make sure it's calculated. I don't know your circumstances, and you really just kind of got to go for it. So, hey, TradeOvex, I love everything we've spoke about. I haven't had a chance. I'm 100% going to have a look tonight, because what I said to you is, yeah, I'd really love to, if everything that you guys said in that message is true, I'd love to have you incorporated into what I spoke to you guys about. Definitely. So I'm going to have a look at it tonight. Definitely. Nah, but don't show up here with the intent to like, oh, Daniel's live, I'm going to bring a prop firm and really try and pass this and make money with it, with Daniel, because those are the times you're going to jump on the stream and I'll lose a trade and you'll say, fuck this Daniel guy. I don't trade like this for signals. I just trade because this is what I would be doing anyway, and I just thought, well, might as well press record. I got a call, but unfortunately it was out of my budget. Yeah, it's going to happen. All good. Yeah. So I like where we took profits there. It was around there, right? That was fucking like... Oh, these ranges are like deceptively small. That's what threw me off. What's your thoughts on gold? Give us your insight. Gold's just gold, man. It's just going up and down. So we're trying to catch a piece of it. That's it. That's all it is. Why did you not hold? Because I'm a scalper. Hey, you guys, speaking about signals and shit like that, I hung out with AJ Currency and that on the weekend. They're here in Dubai. These guys have signal services. You know, you guys know that I don't do signals. It's just not the way that I trade. I can't really give signals. Anybody that's, because these guys show me their signals statistics. It's actually fucking really impressive. So if anyone wants to go on the wait list, for some of you guys that aren't willing to you kind of want someone else to basically do the heavy lifting for you, there's a link here for the wait list. And yeah, man, these guys have got very interesting stuff cooking up. They're about to launch a signal thing here. And there's a link there if you're interested in that. So it's not something I can do. I don't have the way that I trade, it just doesn't suit signals. Looked, have double top before enter trade. Wait, what? When you scalp, how much leverage do you use? I'm not sure, bro. Just enough to be able to not get like the orders rejected. Where's Tai Pez, Shem and Kashi? Legit. I mean, Tai, Shem and Kashi is probably too late for them. That blonde looks sexy on you. Thank you. But the thing is, I'm wearing a hat because my hair is so overgrown that it's like scary. I'm getting a haircut in 2 days. See why, like, the importance of knowing your... Oh, some volume kicking in here. The importance of knowing, like, who you are as a trader. Like, look how perfectly we took size up or close the trade, and then it would have just come back to the entry and break even to us. So, like, knowing your role as a trader, whether it's a scalper, an intraday, a swing trader, know your role and don't get sucked into anything else. Yeah, well then change funded accounts. Those ones that have time limits are a joke. What a joker. NQ on MT5, it's just NDX USD, I believe. I'm taking profits and putting it into a personal account and building it over time to use personal money and then funded, using the funded. Yeah, that's a good idea. Make sure you're pretty experienced, but because it's very easy to blow like a personal account. Like it's pretty devastating, like the idea of, you know, losing a personal account. It hits a bit different, losing on a personal. So make sure you got a bit of experience, you're a bit hardened. You got enough war scars. What up, trader girly? All right, what do we got? We've got 2 minutes for this closure here. What was your biggest issue before turning profitable? Just sticking to my trading rules. Yeah, just sticking to the trading rules, bro, to be brutally honest. Wow, NQ looks like dog shit. Lost 15K? Yeah, it can be tough. Like personal, I only suggest personal trading once you've got like a lot of reps in, like a lot of years or like experience in the game, because it's very difficult. Like you can lose a funded account and be like, well, there you go. Who cares? It was a couple $100. You put $1,000 in a personal account, blow it, put another 1,000, blow it, and it's like, that shit adds up quick. Bro, if the 15-minute close is bullish on NQ, do you want to buy? Nah, it looks Wick City, and we've got stock exchange coming in a second. Yeah, it looks ugly here. I got no pulse on NQ just yet. Anybody looking at oil? Anything I'm on oil? Nothing on oil. Nice little sell there though. Very nice little sell there. So many funded accounts over the past few years. Yeah, I mean, in my first few years of trading as well, I lost so many fucking challenge accounts and shit. Like, it's scary. But then you just become like full zombie mode about that stuff. What are your rules? 1 to 2? I mean, there's so many rules. It depends what you mean. 2 losses a day, 2 losses and call it a day is the best rule. If you had 2 losses, call it. Yeah, call it after 2 losses, definitely. Oh, I haven't checked news at all. Oh, there's no news. Oh, it's bank holiday? Oz bank holiday. No news. Oh, Wednesday news. What's on Wednesday? Oh, look at this dude. Well, how many ticks was that trade? Then he said, flop, answer my question. So look at this. The importance of knowing when to take profits. Look, now stop loss would have been hit if we tried to hold on. There you go again. The importance of knowing your system. Yeah, that's the biggest thing that's going to change in your trading to make you profitable is like, that's something that's I've had massive reminders of lately, which is just knowing that less is more, man. Less is more. Like, it's so scary how much less is more. Am I a good fit for your mentorship? I am only available London session and New York sometimes. Put it this way, I became profitable just trading London. So it's not so much about how many sessions you can show up for. It's just about how dedicated you can be and, you know, do everything I tell you, basically. China. Yeah. What we see now is a highly refined Daniel who knows exactly how to navigate the candles. I mean, yeah, I would agree with that. Yeah, I would agree with that. It's not so much knowing what to do, it's knowing what not to do. Getting really good at knowing what not to do, like what behaviors not to participate in. And still couldn't answer how many ticks it was. What up, LT? Okay, price is rejecting here. No, fuck no. I would never own an FTMO funded account. It's way too expensive. Like, that kind of shit, all you guys paying hundreds of dollars for these accounts, you're literally just getting scammed. Like, you're actually getting scammed. Like, it makes no sense. How do I do the thing? Look at this, you guys. Oh my God, what a fucking exit. Look at that. They don't call him the throat goat for nothing. Okay, that was gay. But they don't call me the goat for nothing. Wow. Literally nobody calls me that except me, but they don't, you know, whatever. 5K to 83, brother. Crazy, man. Like I was saying to these guys before, like, you can, I could have gone heavy as and tried to flip the account, but the goal was to trade it professional, because that doesn't show consistent. That doesn't, like, flipping accounts isn't consistent, man. It's very dangerous. You lose more than you make. At the stage where I'm mixed between strategy, supply and demand, and breakouts, I'm starting to just stick to one and study. Yeah. Eventually you're going to have to stick to one, bro. It's like saying I'm trying to manage having, like, you know, a Latina girlfriend and also like an Asian wife. And we're all going to try and live in the same house. And it's like, yeah, it's just not going to work, bro. You're eventually going to have to pick one. So same with your trading. You're eventually just going to have to pick one and stick to it. Buys if green holds? Maybe. Yeah, maybe. If green can hold here, if it can hold right here, I like how it looks in the 30. I do see like a pullback needed. I do see some sort of pullback wanting to happen. Someone's trying to scam me in your name? Yeah, well then, let them scam you. No, I don't trade anything. All I trade is gold, NQ, whatever that means. Yep, I'm back in Dubai. It's good to be back as well. Very good to be back. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the stream as well. Live once a year. Drop a thumbs up. Can AI trade better than a human? If AI could trade better than a human, then, you know, the entire market would crash and there would just be worldwide chaos. So no. Dubai is good. It's quiet. No, nothing's happening. You know, all my social medias, or mainly actually it's just TikTok, I think. When I go live, it gives me a notification not to say anything about Dubai. Like, it's like, don't share any military or any, all this kind of shit. I'm like, what the fuck? So I'm going to see how this candle closes. If we can get a setup here, we'll trade. If not, I'll call it. Nice little rat scalp there before. And you just said about the AJII trading thing though. What do you mean? Yeah, I said it. And what? What are you trying to say? Big fan of you and Raja. It's a dream moment to meet you guys. Yeah, man, let's, I mean, it was a dream of me as well to meet Raja at one stage when I was in a room just chilling, trading. And, you know, anybody that knows me knows, like, even in my live streams and shit, it was just me in a room and I was like, yeah, Raja motivated me, Raja this, Raja that. Fast forward a year and a half, I moved to Dubai, following the dream of trading. One day I opened my phone and there's a video message from Raja saying, hey bro, would love to catch up and do a podcast together. And I'm like, what, bro? All these years and all this time of looking up to this guy and doing all this and doing all that, to one day him reaching out to me, it's just like, the world works in mysterious ways. Bro, stop spamming that. I'm going to block you. It's a pull like for a slingshot sell. I'll sling your shot. Wow, NQ's just done nothing, doing nothing here. We'll see what gold can do for buyers. Would you call catching a 0.5 risk to reward a win anyway? Don't, anything to do with risk to reward doesn't mean anything, bro. If you're profitable, you're profitable. Risk to reward doesn't mean anything. To be brutally honest. These guys on TikTok are like tripping out if it's pre-recorded just because I'm not answering the most brain rot questions. What do you think was holding you back a year ago from leaving your job even though you were profitable? I mean, it was a couple of things. It was just a level of consistency and also fear. But it doesn't mean like, I have no fear, I'm going to fucking quit my job. It's like, no. You have to make calculated risks. It needs to make sense. Like, you need to have the data there. You need to know that you can actually do this shit. Not like, I'm doing it because I've got no fear. It's like, nah, bro, it's not how it works. You have to like actually have put the work in and have the data to prove that you can do this consistently. Crude oil on the 30. Let's have a look. No, there's nothing there for me. What was the first thing I said to you, Zone? About calculated risks? No, I don't pay attention to the volume indicator or anything like that. Oh, don't quit just yet. Yeah. Yeah, I shouldn't quit after passing one combine. Let's get it, Frankie. The platform I'm using is called MT5. Yeah, book one in, brother. What's good, Greg? So what do we got? We've got a couple minutes here for a closure. If the 30 can close relatively bullish, I'll be interested, but right now it's not looking too interesting. The best advice I can give to somebody who wants to start trading, the best advice I can give somebody who wants to start trading is one, study, bro. You got to put in the work to study the fundamentals and the basic principles of what trading even is. Two, give it time. Don't expect results tomorrow. And three, just don't even bother because you're probably not going to push through the difficulty that it takes to get to a high level. You receive found to top stair. Wait, what? Couple minutes here for a closure. Couple minutes for a closure here. How long it take for you to make enough money to quit your job? I mean, probably 3 years, but it doesn't need to be that long. There's guys that I've mentored that have got to where I was way quicker than I did because, you know, I was able to guide them the right way and avoid all the unnecessary bullshit. So don't use me as a reference, but yeah, it took me about 3. Yeah, I love paddle. I'm the paddle goat. Enjoy business class. Yeah, business class is amazing. Caught first business class flight back from Bali to Dubai. It's actually so much fucking better. Bro, I felt like such a king. There was a massive lineup for everyone lining up to get on the plane. And then your boy just cruises through. I look literally homeless as well, cruise through business class, just like, peasants. No, not really, but it was just so good to cruise through. And also when the plane, you know when planes pull up and everyone stands up and it's just so awkward and annoying, takes ages to get off? No, business class, straight off, straight up, straight off. And you could lie down flat. I could literally lie down like a bed and go to sleep. I mean, it was fucking incredible. Can't go back to economy, literally. Yeah, legroom for days. Alright, we've got some sort of closure here. What's the 30 look like? Yeah, it looks gay. This is NYSE. This is stock exchange. This account I started at 5,000. The goal of this account was to go from 5,000 to 100,000. Such a high volume time. I don't know if I can leave yet. Look at NQ. How many trades did you take in April? Fucks me. Not many. I don't take many trades. I mean, after reaching 100K, I'm going to pull out 50K and then just keep trading the 50K, see how much I can grow it. Caught a little sell position here early in the stream, you guys. I'm going to jump off now. Appreciate you guys jumping on. Have an incredible rest of the session. And thank you again for jumping on. Anybody that wants to take their trading a bit more serious and work one-on-one, you can head over to danielholmestrades.com and you can submit an application to work one-on-one. All right. Appreciate you guys. Love you guys. And I'll catch up with you on the next stream, probably Thursday. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.